I'm Shannon Becker, KOAM News Now, Joplin News First. We're on the Connecticut Avenue Bridge over I-44. This is westbound traffic behind us that's blocked. About 4-mile backup. Emergency bridge repairs at South Main Street in the I-44 overpass on the westbound lanes. The hole formed about 4 o'clock this afternoon, and MoDOT determined emergency repair would need to be done. It will continue through the overnight hours, but you'll want to avoid westbound I-44 range line. It's breaking news. I'm Shannon Becker. Stay safe tonight. KOAM News Now, Joplin News First, your source for live and breaking information and news.